my lemon tree is doing so well this year. I have this abundance of lemons. And amazingly, lemons can be used for other things other than dressing up your G&T. Lemons contain vitamin C, which is absorbic acid. When you eat a high carb meal, you can reduce the glycemic index of your meal by adding an acid into the meal or having it before or after the meal. This is similar to apple cider vinegar. They also have some amazing other benefits, which is based around that they are a co-synthesis for collagen in the skin. They can prevent UV damage, whether that's applied ectopically or from internally from the epidermal layer in the cells. Amazing benefits to support wound healing. And of course, it keeps scurvy away. So for all you seafaring pirates out there, make sure you pack some vitamin C on board. Nobody wants scurvy. So vitamin C is a really powerful antioxidant and it removes free radicals in the body. If you want to boost that anti-inflammatory response, you can also have a hot drink with lemon and honey. When you add honey to the vitamin C, you get this extra boost of anti-inflammatory support. Lemons are also fantastic if you want to add flavor to cooking. By adding our acid, which is a flavor base, you can make dressings out of it by adding it to extra virgin olive oil. You can add it to marinades. And another really great tip, if you squeeze lemon juice over the top of your greens, then you are going to support the uptake of iron out of the greens. Now, we're all going to eat loads of greens because that supports our gut health. So you want to squeeze some lemon over the top of your greens whilst you're cooking them, just as you've cooked them, or as a dressing, so that you can support that uptake of iron. So if you want to get a little inventive, then you can dry your lemons and then you can use them, as garnish. You can blend them up. Don't forget, the zest is an excellent way to add flavor to your baking or to your marinade dishes, not just the lemon juice. Just be careful with some of the lemons that you buy and make sure that the skin is suitable to have it zested. So get out there to your local farmer's market, contact a local grower, see if you can get some lemons that are spray-free from the side of the road and support your health by having some lemons today.